Welcome everyone to Miss Lena's Kitchen. welcome everyone. I am blessed and I hope you all are blessed today. This is the day that the Lord has made. I will rejoice and be glad in it. Excuse me, my voice is kind of running away. So I hope you all are having a beautiful day. I will read you a scripture. Oh, I'm back with you now. So let us fall into the hands of the Lord, for his mercy is great. 2 Samuel 24:14. Now I'm kind of hoarse now. I had a coffee and it was kind of dried up. I was doing in the skillet was kind of had a little smoke coming to it. So y'all please excuse me, but when I read the verse to you, there's someone that may need this later, today, tomorrow, next week, or next year. So when y'all looking at the video, don't forget there's a word from God that's always in the video. And I thank you. So now I'm getting ready to get started. I'm going to make bologna sandwiches, okay? So, okay, this bologna is very thin. So it's very thin slices, y'all. I'm having our time with it, so now get a piece of paper down here.
Y'all see Miss Lena cookbook over there, so when she cooking, I try to make sure y'all can see it. Put the mayonnaise on the sandwich. Instead of butter, she used to put a little butter in the skillet, but she used mayonnaise on the sandwich bread. Oh yeah.
Should have ran all the onion first.
Ain't nothing like a fried bologna frying pan. Okay, y'all, she put lettuce, onions, tomatoes, and pickles on her bologna sandwich. Oh,
Where's it going?
here. Okay, y'all, this her sandwich.
Okay.
Y'all, it's good. Mine's not bologna, but it's still good.
This is the final presentation of my fried bologna sandwiches, you all. So this is the way it looks, and very delicious. I haven't gotten a chance to bite one yet, but I'm going to right now. I didn't have the thick slices of bologna. This was thin, so, but you will see what we did in the description box. All right, thank you so much. I'm going to take a little bite. Now, I know I told you I'm having trouble with my teeth, so I can't do too much chewing while I'm on right now, but I will take a little bite.
Mm.
Mm. Mm. Yeah, it's so good. Mm. Mm. It's really good. Right. Mhm. Okay. So, nothing beats a real good bologna fried sandwich.
Nothing at all, y'all.
And you all see the bologna sandwich. Now, very, very good. Very delicious. This time of the year is very good for them. It's still hot and everything. So, just put them in your skillet, turn it over, and you'll have a wonderful sandwich. And I hope you will enjoy this video. And thank you so much. They're so very, very good. So I will see you in the next video, or live, or wherever you come on. May God bless. Good night from Miss Lena's Kitchen. Goodbye from the bologna sandwich today. Goodbye now. It'll make you want to fight someone. So bam, bam, bam. Bye-bye now.